floor, you've now been dismissed to the auditorium for the assembly.
What assembly?
I guess we have an assembly today, people. So, hey, let's get lined up. Everyone remember where we're sitting? Yeah, that's what I thought. So, assembly seating, okay, is right over here. We are in section D and C on the right-hand side. So leave your stuff here. I'll lock the room. That way you don't have to carry it down there and carry it back. I know you guys don't like the exercise. And let's get going to the assembly. Yeah! Hey, you coming to the assembly?
Yeah.
Sorry, you're gonna have to leave your drink and your backpack here before you go in, all right?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Hey, Jonathan, you're supposed to be sitting up there in our section. Can you please move there?
What, John?
Whoa, wait. We have to walk down the aisles, not over the seats, please, bud, okay? All right? Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, we're ready to go.
Hope this is good.
Hey guys, you did a great job of getting to your correct area, but we need to work on our etiquette here. Our hands and feet should be not on the brick here, not on the back of chairs. We should be awake. I mean, that's kind of important here for the assembly. Should be sitting. These chairs are comfortable. Let's go ahead and sit on them. Mr. Steen, could you please put that foot down?
Come on, bro.
Thank you
You're
so
killing
much.
my pie.
Sorry. All right, we're all trying to follow by the same rules here to keep this place nice.
All right, guys, I'm really excited. I've been working on this dance routine for the last
Whoa,
months,
whoa, whoa.
and we're really gonna
Poor Mr. Steen. He's up here trying to teach, and look at all of these students being very disrespectful on their phones. Misty and Jim are sitting here watching a video. Mr. Runnis is just texting away, and Mr. Langer is jamming out with his headphones. This is not okay. Poor Mr. Steen. We love you. Go. Mr. Steen.
What do you got, bud?
I really gotta go to the bathroom.
All right, you're free to go. Just make sure the door closes behind you before you open the second one so no light gets in. And then when you're coming back, try to make sure there's a pause in the action, okay? All right, make sure you wipe twice.